Hello, my name is Heath Spencer. I'm the CEO of TraitWare. We're here to talk to you about Zero Trust Access for your users. We believe that Zero Trust Access needs to start with the human to machine. With 80% of every data breach, ransomware attack, and more happening from misused credentials, we believe that it's time to kill the password. To do this, we've created a software-based token that you deploy on a device you already carry, your mobile device, and you can use this to then access and log in to all of your web-connected screens. You have passwordless, multi-factor authenticated login in 3 touches from a device you already carry. We're going to show you how simple this is by deploying this to your business email. We're going to use Google Workspace as an example of this in 5 minutes. And this will show you an example of how to get started using passwordless MFA for Zero Trust Access. So let's look at the screen. On my screen, I'm going to click free trial. I'm going to enter my stuff. There it goes. And I'm going to click Get Started. So what it's doing right now is it's sending me an email to register my mobile device as a smart token. All right, so I've just received my email after setting up my admin console. I'm going to open the email from support at TraitWare. I'm going to click on the blue button to automatically go out and get the app. It's going to take me to the App Store. Click Open. Once I'm in the App Store, just click Download. Once the app's downloaded, just open it as you normally would. And it's just a couple steps to finish the registration in the app, which is just adding my biometric as my authentication to the app. During the app registration, we're also creating a unique token of you. So now that my app's registered, I have successful access to my TraitWare admin console. Now that I have my app registered, I can visit my admin console from the same website. Right at the top, I just click Admin Login. From Admin Login, I'm just going to scan the one-time QR code to authenticate to the administrative console. Now that I'm in the administrative console, I have my account created here for my access to add users and applications. I'm going to launch that administrative console. You can see that I've been added as the admin and the user that's there. So the first thing we need to do is add an application. So I'm going to click on Application. You can see that there's no applications here. I'm going to click Add an Application. We're going to use SAML 2.0 to add a Google Workspace account and domain. So I click on SAML. With this one, we have templates created. So all I need to do is click on Use a Template. Scroll down to Google Workspace, click on that. I'm going to click Submit, and it's going to launch this. Now in here, where it says Your Org, all I need to do is insert what my organization domain is going to be, which is twmfa.net. Again, if I could type, this would go better. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm just going to insert that in the 5 locations that says Your Org. Now that I have that copied in there, I'm just going to hit Save. I'm going to go back into the application. I'm going to go to Provider Credentials. And here, I want to go and copy or download the .pem file for the certificate that I need to insert into Google. So I'm going to copy that, or actually download that. The application's been saved and all this stuff's been set up in Google. I need to go back to my users. I'm going to select myself. I'm going to go to Applications, and I'm going to turn on Google Workspace. So now I just provisioned myself to use Google Workspace for passwordless MFA access. Now I can visit a login page by visiting SSO login. So instead of being presented with a username and password, I will be presented with a one-time QR code. Then I'm going to go to my mobile app on my phone, going to select the account that I want to authenticate to. It's going to scan my face. I'm going to click Scan QR Code to sign in to my Google Workspace. Now I'm authenticated in 3 touches from a device I already carry with a passwordless multi-factor authenticated login to Google Workspace. This deploys a Zero Trust Access to Google Workspace in 3 touches from the device I'm already carrying, using multi-factor authentication inherent in that login. It's not an option and it's not an extra step. This reduces friction for me as the user. It also reduces cost for you as the business owner.